welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day as always. So today's video, we're going to be trying to get some awesome drone shots with our drone. We're going to get that set up, see what we can get with that. We're going to try to drift the Jeep with the drone. And then after that, we're going to get started on our project vehicle, the Grand Cherokee. We're going to start sanding down the rust. We're going to then spray primer over it so that way it doesn't rust anymore until we're ready to bedline it. Basically, we're just stripping it down, getting it ready for bedliner, and then from there, we'll work on suspension and stuff like that. So I'll catch you guys at the drone. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that drone footage. I'm going to try to incorporate the drone a lot more in filming and stuff like that from here on out. Get some cooler shots, some unique angles while we're off-roading and stuff like that. I'm finally getting the hang of it, so I think it'll add a cool touch to our videos. So let's go ahead and head back and get working on that project vehicle. First we have to clean this thing. It's been sitting for like 6 months, so it's absolutely filthy. So let's go ahead and get started with that one. So to start off, let's go over the different color options that we have. So to begin, we have a tan color. This is kind of similar to the color like the military vehicles and stuff like that. After this, we have like a medium gray. This is definitely like my top choice as of now. I'll show you guys why in a little bit. Then we have a light gray, so it's kind of close to the last one, just a little bit lighter. And then we have this red. The reason I chose this red is because it's the closest that we could get from this certain bedliner company to match the Wrangler. Let me know what you guys think about that down in the comments, if we should make a match or what. This is probably my favorite option. Let me show you why. So these are the wheels that we'll be putting on the Grand Cherokee. As you can see, it's almost a perfect match to the color that we want to bedline the Jeep. So these are actually the wheels that came off the Wrangler. They're the same lug pattern, so I think they would look great on there. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think, if we should do it the dark gray or what do you guys want. So let's go ahead and start prepping this thing for bedliner. So we have to start by sanding down these dents and filling them in with body filler. So let's go ahead and start sanding these down. Alright, so I got this spot done. As you can see, I sanded down all of the chip paint, the rust is off of it. We're going to go ahead and fill this in with body filler. You guys can't really tell, but there is a pretty big dent there from the high lift falling down. I've already completed the hood. There was a couple rock chips up here that started to rust. It's almost started to rain, so I put primer over that, just that way it wouldn't rust anymore. I also went ahead and removed the headlights. They had a few bulbs out that needed replacing anyway. I might replace the entire headlight setup with something I like more. Pretty much all these bulbs are burnt out and need replaced. I also needed them out to bedline the whole thing. As I showed you guys, the hood's complete. We're going to go ahead and be taking the front bumper and winch off next video. We're going to take the roof rack off because I want to custom make a roof rack. I'm not a big fan of this one. High lift's off. We're going to start to pull it in the garage so that way we can tear it down a little bit better and get it fully ready for bedliner. So I'll go ahead and catch you in the next video, guys.